As we can see that we can't see this vertice over right here, and it's really low on the z-axis, so we're just gonna push it up a bit. Where we may have to push it down on the y-axis too, maybe a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Push up a bit, like that. That seems right. That seems not. Control Z them, just going to back to square one, just GZ them one more time, just one and only time, like that. Let's dissolve that edge over there, those two. Moving them a bit closer. Now for this two, let's just J to join them, maybe not. Just M and at last, maybe not. Let's just move these closer. That seems cool. And that one has no end in vertices, so we're just gonna create one over there and just gonna join them with J. Nice. Control R and edge over there. One more over on the inner upper Z side. We're just sharpening up the corners for now for as final touches. Let's create a separate vertice over there, and now we just gonna join this like that. The same old technique. There we go. To sharpen up this last end over here, we have created two more edge loops, and yeah, that's it. It looks super clean, and that ends our hood. On the next chapter, we're gonna make the front bumper. See you soon.